Welcome to the instructions video for the PID tuning calculator using the Ziegler-Nichols method. In this video, we will show you how to use this tool to calculate optimal PID controller parameters for your control systems. This calculator uses the Ziegler-Nichols closed-loop tuning method to determine PID controller gains. You need two inputs: the ultimate gain, which is the proportional gain at which your system oscillates continuously, and the ultimate period, which is the oscillation period in seconds. The calculator applies standard Ziegler-Nichols formulas. For a full PID controller, the proportional gain Kp equals 0.6 times the ultimate gain. The integral gain Ki equals 1.2 times the ultimate gain divided by the ultimate period, and the derivative gain Kd equals 0.075 times the ultimate gain times the ultimate period. You can also select PI or P-only controllers for simpler control strategies. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Check them out at FIRGELLIauto.com.